Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to contact seller on Eldorado.gg. So let's first start with the first step, which is to visit Eldorado.gg. And from there, you just have to browse the gaming marketplace and just find the product listing that you're interested in, whether it's game currency, items, accounts, or boosting services. So look for the seller with high ratings and many completed orders for safer transactions. Next is view the seller profile. So click on the seller's name or the profile to view their detailed information. And from there, you can check their ratings, the number of orders completed, response time, and the reviews from other buyers. So sellers with message seller buttons are typically more responsive to inquiries. Next is open the seller form. So just click on the contact or message seller button to open the messaging interface. So this allows you to send a direct message to the seller about the listing. Next step is compose your message. So you can type your message in the seller message button and then include details about what you're looking for, any questions about the product, delivery time, or special requirements that you may have. Lastly is send and await response. So click send to deliver your message and the seller will receive a notification and typically responds within minutes to hours. So you will get notified when the seller replies to your message. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!